Hey guys, here we are back on site. We took a couple trees down. Took one here. We got one in here. And then we took that one down over there. There's all the rounds. Now it's time to clean up the brush. We're gonna load some of this brush up, take it to the recycler. We're using the Cat 308 to do it. Pretty good sized machine, works pretty good for doing this kind of stuff. Let me climb up in here and get you guys lined up on what we're doing. Get this stuff built. This was going to be a new house on this lot, so we had to clear it out. Those trees are where the new house is going to be sitting. So they got to come out so we can get the foundation hole dug. So yeah, let me set you guys up here and get this stuff loaded. Sorry about that. Dropped my camera. Get it here in the holder. Seem to want to go in the holder. Oh, holder's not working. It won't stick to the window. So we'll just do it this way. I'm gonna turn the radio on. Because I don't like doing nothing without the radio. You kind of get bored by yourself without radio, you know what I mean? It's sitting in a machine all day long. It gets boring without the radio. So I'm going to turn some radio on and I'm going to get after it, guys. Break these up a little bit. We're hauling with one of our smaller dump trailers today. The big truck, big roll-off trucks is on a house demo, so we're just using the little dump trailer today. pile. Drag some of this closer to the truck. Sorry about that, guys. Someone just texted me. I'll check that later. I think it was, looked like we're on a website for job leads. People go to their website and alerts us, connects us with customers to do, a lot of times it's homeowners to tear down, do demolition work for them. The subscription website. You only pay per lead. You don't pay like a monthly fee. It's just by the lead, so it's a pretty good deal. And it's only a lead if you get the job. If you deny the job when it comes through, you don't get charged anything. So it's been a pretty good deal. I don't quite remember the name of it. I think it's like Hometown Demolition or something. Got nice weather here today in Washington. We're in Washington State. It's been sunny all day. It snowed like an inch last night, but it all melted this morning. But it's been nice today. As a change, it's been real rainy this week. Today's Wednesday. Got to be kind of careful with this trailer because it has the we put wood sideboards on it instead of getting the metal ones. This trailer normally doesn't get used for this, but this is what we got today, so that's what we're using. We used concrete floor panels and put 2-foot sideboards on this one. we take this brush, they grind it up, send it to the pulp mill. The pulp mill burns it to create power. So it's like 1 ton of it burned in the, they call it hog fuel. 1 ton of it burned creates enough power on the grid to power one house for 3 months. So it's not just going to a landfill and getting buried, it's getting repurposed once. It's not really considered recycling because they're burning it, but it does do something to help and put some power on the power grid, help power some houses. Just about full, so we'll grab some of this little stuff, fill in the little voids in the trailer. Got a little void up front here. Smash this little stuff in. I think we can get one more scoop. Then we got to tarp it off to the wood grinder. Drop it off. So they use a horizontal grinder at the place we take it, not a tub, but a horizontal with a conveyor belt. Works pretty slick. So I think that's going to be it, guys. I'll clean it up a little bit, tarp it, and we'll come back, and I think we got probably 2 more loads here. Get it cleaned up. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button and please subscribe as I'm trying to get this YouTube channel up and going. Thank you. Bye.